Okay, guys, I hope you guys are really learning a lot. And sorry, I've added some news. So you can see right here, I added two more to the one we added. So I'm just going to refresh and just show you the functionality that we added. You see that random number that we added? You see, it's now this Bitcoin, this news, the image, and everything is great, is larger than this, and we have the other one also, which is larger than the first one. Okay, and if I refresh, we're getting them in a random form. You see, so this one is now up this time around. If I refresh again, we have different random images and different random news. Okay, that's because we set it to be ordered by random, and we're getting all the news because the difference right now shouldn't be up to an hour since I added this. Okay, so in this section we're going to be looking at this sidebar. Okay, so it's also called featured. Oh, no, the okay, yeah, it's called featured post. Okay, so we have the featured post. Now featured post is going to be different from what we're adding here. We're going to display all the news. Okay, and we're going to be ordering it by random as well. Okay, so I'm going to head back to my code editor, and where we have this method, I'm going to minimize it. Okay, so minimize as well and create a new method. So public function get featured news. Okay, all right, so query is going to be equal to MySql underscore query, and we're going to pass in the connection, so days con, and we're going to all select all from news, order by random, and we're gonna limit to 5. Okay, so limit 5. All right, so let's have our string as usual, and let's write a while loop. Okay, now if you notice something, we only need 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we need the category, we need the image, we need the content, and the date of that it was added. Okay, so while row is equal to MySql underscore fetch underscore array sorry, I'm gonna pass in the query, and we're gonna have the first thing we need is the so that should be the image. So image is gonna be equal to row and post underscore image. That was the name of the database. Then we need the content plus row content, and the next one that we need is the date added is going to be equal to row date added, and the final one, which is the category, going to be $row and post underscore category. Okay, was it post dash category or post underscore category? Oh, it's underscore, no dash, underscore. Okay, all right, so back to the where we have this sidebar, the PHP. Let's get it. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to pause the video and clear the double quotes and change it to single quotes. I'll see you soon. Okay, so I've done that. So all I need to do is just cut this out. So cut, save, and back to the post. So say str dot equal to and paste it. Okay, I don't know why I keep forgetting some stuff. All right, so the image as usual, we're just gonna add the administration folder / image. Okay, the category, so that's cat title, then the content let's just say substring, and start from 0 and at let's end at 100. Okay, and we're gonna add this. Okay, if 100 is too much, then we sorry, we're gonna get back and reduce it. Okay, so we're gonna add the content, and the date is gonna be date added. Okay, so I'll just get rid of this. So save, and after the while loop, we just need to echo the string, and that should save. Okay, so back to the featured post, I'll just copy this and in the sidebar paste it, and the method is get featured post. Okay, so copy, paste, and let's see if it works out. Okay, so refresh, and hopefully we should get featured posts. Okay, so post kata, it should be category. Come on, man, seriously. Back to the post category. Okay, refresh, and hopefully it should work out this time around. Okay, so we're getting it, and we're having the link to the image. And I said it, this 100 is too much, so I'll just go with 60. Okay, and the image, let's see. Okay, the image should be an image tag. Okay, so img src for source is going to be equal to that. Okay, so the class is going to be image rounded, and we have a width is going to be equal to I'll just go with 75. Let's see how that looks like. Refresh. Let's see. Okay, 75 looks small, so I'll just go with 100. And that should be good. And if you notice, it's changing. You can see right now it's in business, so if I refresh, we should get a random post this time around. So refresh, and we have it randomly. Okay, so this is showing randomly, and this is also showing randomly. If we add more news, you'll notice that it's going to limit to 5 featured posts at the sidebar. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lecture. All right.